Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a client success rep here at LionDesk, and I'm here to talk about the custom number with LionDesk. It has a lot of really cool features like bulk texting. It also has the text-to-sell codes. You can now bulk text all the clients to let them know that you're going to hold an open house. You can select bulk actions, send to all the contacts. This saves you a whole lot of time so you can get other things done throughout your day. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the text-to-sell codes. These are short codes that are sent to your LionDesk custom texting number so we can gather client information and add new leads to our database. So you're at the open house, they type the word open to your custom number, and instantly you gather all that information for just in case you don't get to connect with everybody at the actual open house. So that's all we have today on the custom texting number. If you have any questions, we'd be glad to assist you. Contact your success rep or customer support.